What's up guys, Mitch here. Now we've had some pretty cool deliveries over time at Superior Engineering, but I reckon this one takes the cake. This is the Kincrome Tool Armour Ultimate Workshop Toolkit. Let's get this thing unboxed, check it out once I'm done. As expected, fucking hot. Now we'll get the top boxes on and then we can start packing it full of all of our electric tool, which is my favorite bit as well. So let's go. There you have it guys, the Kincrome Tool Armour Ultimate Workshop Kit, fully assembled. This thing was super easy, it fell together. I can't wait to get into this thing with the next projects we got coming in to be filmed here. So we'll catch up with you guys on the next one. But for now, I think there is one final little touch to put on the toolbox and we'll sign this one off.